Hello guys, today we are seeing a banana type cement tank. It is made by the carbon steel, but it looks different than the previous videos we were seeing. This tank does not have the pipeline in the left side and also in the right side. So if there is no pipeline, how it would discharge the cement and the cargo inside of it? Let's continue this video and we shall see the answer later. In the front, we have the braking line here, same as all the other trailers. ABS socket, electricity socket, and ABS light. And this is the front booster, and with the nameplate and the ABS menu and the ABS brand. At the bottom, we have 50 millimeter diameter kingpin and also the kingpin plate. Also, we have the landing gear over there. It is a double side operation with two side protection. There are two boxes. It looks like two boxes, but let's open one of them and have a look. First, let's open this side, and then we open this side. And the door is open. Okay. The answer is here. This tank is using this huge disc valve to discharge. It has one here and another in the other side. The cement and the cargo would go from this way. This design is used for the bigger cement powder, which is bigger than the previous one we using pipes to discharge it, because it is bigger. So you can use this kind of disc valve to discharge it. At the rear, we have a 3-axle, and on the top we have the mud guard, and the rim is aluminum. The axle is like this. You might ask a question how it will load the cargo. So it's definitely on the top. And how the pressure go in, because we have no sign for any place to give the pressure. The answer is also on the top. After we finish the bottom, we can go through this ladder and have a look what it looks like on the top. Before that, let's have a look at the bottom. We have the same axle with ABS and the leaf spring, U-bolt, equalizer, suspension hanger, something like that. Okay, let's get to the top. Now we are on top of the tank, looking at the manhole, this one. So this manhole has a pin here. Once you push the pin down, it is in the locking position. You cannot drag this off, so you cannot open the manhole. If you remove the pin, push it to this position, and then pull the pin down, and then you can open the manhole like this. So it's opening. Now we can see the inside of this tank. You can see this tank has no liquefied nylon tube. It only has it only has a gap over there, so the pressure can push the cement down to the discharge box in the left and the right. We have a 3 manhole here, one there, and this one is the middle one, and that one is the front one. Oh, so first pull the manhole here, and then we put it down in this position, and then open the pin here, push it down to the locking position, and check it, then put the pin back like here. Okay, now we have closed the manhole. Let's get off from here. Now we are on the top, and we can see 3 manhole lying on the top, and 1 ball valve over there. Here, we can see a disc brake valve, a smaller one. This is the air inlet port. So you can put a pipe here to give the pressure to the tank. Then the tank will discharge it from this manhole. I think that would be enough for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like our video, please click the subscription or click the like button at the bottom. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you guys next time. Bye.